Welcome to Easy Digital Downloads. This is a quick overview of 6 key areas to set up first. You'll find a full walkthrough and documentation for each one over on our Getting Started hub. The first step will be to install your Easy Digital Downloads plugin. This is a super quick process regardless of whether you're installing the free core plugin or the pro version. Once it's installed and active, you're ready to move on to setup. Once activated, you'll have the option to launch our setup wizard, one guided path to configure most of your store at once. It covers your business details and currency, a payment method, your purchase receipt email, some recommended tools, and your first product. Work through it at your own pace and skip anything you're not ready for. Up next, we'll go deeper on a few of these, starting with your first product. The setup wizard gets a basic product started, but the dedicated Create a Product area gives you full control, from naming and pricing to uploading your file. Once it's published, you'll have a live product page ready for customers. You may have already connected a gateway in the setup wizard. EDD also has a dedicated payments area with built-in support for Stripe, PayPal, and Square, so you can pick whichever works best for your store. In addition to the purchase receipt mentioned in the setup wizard, you'll also find a full emails dashboard where you can review and customize every email EDD sends to your customers. Before you launch, it's smart to run a test order using EDD's test mode. This lets you experience checkout, the receipt email, and the file download exactly as your customers will, so you can launch with confidence. Most stores are up and selling the same day. In the next videos, we'll take a closer look at each of these steps. Find the full guide at easydigitaldownloads.com/start.